Hi, I'm Jeff from Sussex Installations. I'll show you what we've been doing today. We've been fitting a security package to this Citroen Dispatch 2017. So to start with, what we've done is we try to make this van more secure in terms of the manufacturer's security. So if I show you what we've done there, we've fitted an Armaplate to the back door. So this Armaplate here is addressing the typical screwdriver down the side of the barrel, pull the barrel out and get the van into the unlock position, because that does seem to unlock the whole van. So this lock, for instance, is a security vulnerability for the back door, but it's also a security vulnerability for the actual side doors as well, because if they get that into the unlock position, your side doors get unlocked, and then at that point they can get in the van from the side. And even if you've got side door security like your deadlocks and that, they might get the door open that little bit and start to have a go at them. So we put the Armaplate on the back door to stop the back door lock from being unlocked, but we've also done an electronic modification. So now each of these doors that have barrels in them, which on this van it's the driver's door, the passenger door and the barn door, these locks will only unlock that respective door. They don't activate the central locking anymore. So if I was to put this into the unlock position now, the alarm's gone off, the driver's door's unlocked, but the back door's still locked. The side door's still locked, and I just turned the alarm off now. And so all the rest of the van is still locked, and actually it's still deadlocked. So what I mean by that in terms of deadlocked, I mean the manufacturer's factory deadlocking. So this van, if it's double locked from the remote control, you can't even open it from the inside. So if I was to try and open up this door from in here, and I've double locked the van, lock, double lock, but I'm pulling around at this door handle and I can't unlock this van at all from here. So I can't get out of this van if I've double locked from the remote control. So double locking your van, if you've got one of these Citroen Dispatches, is essential. Press it twice every time, but there are these security vulnerabilities. This lock, the lock on the passenger door, the lock on the back door. So our electronic modification to switch those barrels off in effect and put the Armaplate on the back door is a really good security update to your manufacturer's locking. And then what else we've done on this is we've added deadlocks. So we fitted our own locks to this van, an extra layer of security, and what that means is if the manufacturer's locks do get breached somehow, the door opens, but just a little bit. So it just opens a few millimeters. And this deadlock is separate from your manufacturer's, like your electronic remote control. So even if they did manage to clone your key or do something like that, you've got that extra layer of mechanical security. And if I show you these locks, this is actually the hook type of lock which we fitted to both of the side load doors. And if I put that out, you'll see the hook. So that hook hooks into the bracket which we fitted onto the post. So that's going to try to avoid like spreading of the lock if someone was to go at it with a crowbar or a large screwdriver. You know, we're going to try and get it to stand up to an attack as best as it can with the deadlocks. So we've also fitted them to the back door as well. Similar type of thing. This one's not the hook lock on this back door, but it is that extra layer of security. If they get the door open, it just opens a few millimeters and then it stops the door from opening anymore. And that's our NMF style lock, which is the long throw bolt on that barn door. So if you're looking for security for your Citroen Dispatch or any other vehicle, get in touch via the website. It's www.sussexinstallations.co.uk. Thanks for watching.